Everyone, this is Tim from Viewer 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your TV remote to control your PlayStation 5. So for this, we need to go to Settings and go on down to where it says System. And there's an option on here called HDMI-CEC, and we want to make sure this is turned on. So go to HDMI right here, and then go to the right, and make sure HDMI Device Link is enabled on the top. And once that's enabled, we can take our TV remote, and we should be able to just move it around, and we should be able to control our PlayStation 5 now. Then we have other options like enable one touch play. If you turn on your PS5, the connect device will also turn on and switch this input to the PS5. And then we have enable power off link. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So if it's entering rest mode randomly, just turn off this option. But once you have device link enabled, and you also have this enabled on your TV, it should work. Just grab your remote, and then you can use your remote to control your PS5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.